Hi, everybody. So I wanted to talk today a little bit about the summary organizer. With the summary organizer, you're going to use it to help you almost write like an outline of your summary. So you're going to use the approved article that you did the same for your annotation practice. So you're going to take that annotation practice article from 101 and you're going to summarize it because that's what we're doing over in 101. You're going to be turning in a summary and a paraphrase at the end of the week. So you're going to want to take that article and use the organizer to help you summarize it. So there are some pictures of different kinds of organizers and all of them were listed, but I actually decided that the details main idea, this one, would be the most helpful for you. So I just chose that one for you guys to work with just to cut down on some confusion. Okay, so if you open this out of the way, there we go. This is what it's going to look like. And you're going to use this to work on your summary. The first thing it asks you to identify is the topic. So the topic is going to be the neutral idea that you're working with in your article. For a lot of us, it's going to be something like healthcare workers and vaccination, or vaccination and medical exemptions. Those are kind of going to be the topics that your article is going to be about. Then you're going to figure out what the author wants to say about it, because that's the main idea. A main idea is always the topic and what the author has to say about it. So if my topic were McDonald's, and I wrote an entire review about how much I love McDonald's, then my main idea would be topic McDonald's plus what I want to say about it. I love it. That would be my main idea. A lot of your articles are going to be informative. So think about what the author wants to tell you about this particular topic. So for example, if your topic is something like medical exemptions and coronavirus, like let's say that your article had to deal with that, then maybe your main idea is something like there are few, though not many, medical reasons for avoiding the coronavirus vaccination. If that's the point of the article, then that's the main idea. Major details, that's going to be the next part. Here, you're going to go through and you're going to pull out the things that are most important in the article. So I think I made space for 5. You could always like add in more at the bottom if you think that there's more thoughts that you want to include. But here there's boxes for 5 major details. And what you're looking for in the major details are things that need to come from the article that are important to include. Not just specific statistics, not quotes, not specific people, but pick out the ideas that are most important from your article. What are the ideas that it is most important for somebody who is going to summarize this article to know? If you want to explain this to somebody, what's the most important part to know? And then your concluding thought here, you're going to kind of wrap up and maybe restate what you've got up here in the main idea. And then once you do that, you can put that all together and that's your summary. Once you figure out the main ideas, you can put it all together and that is basically your summary. All the sentences collected together. So that's what you're going to do with this summary organizer.